Hey everyone, welcome again to another video. Did you know that only about 20% of Americans can speak another language? Compare that to the 56% of Europeans that are bilingual. Clearly, we are not doing something right. So you might want to ask yourself, why is it important to learn another language? Let's talk a little bit about that today. But before we get into the video, I want you guys to hit the subscribe button and the like button. Let's get into the video. So, why is it important to learn another language? One thing that a lot of people talk about is the ability to advance your career. Think about it for a little bit. How many jobs have you applied to where the employer has asked you if you can speak another language? And maybe all you can say is, oh, I speak English. Now imagine if you said, oh, I could speak English and Spanish and maybe French. You would have easily gotten that job. Employers love it when you can speak another language because you have the ability to communicate with many kind of clients and customers. So just being able to speak a second language is a head start in applying to different kinds of jobs. Another added benefit of learning a second language is the ability to strengthen your mind. Basically, when you study a second language, you are working out and exercising your brain, and with that you are improving your memory skills, you're improving your cognitive functions. All of this is happening when you're studying a second language. So with this, you are able to think a little bit more clearly and process things a little faster. One of the greatest things you can achieve by learning a second language is essentially a deeper understanding of different cultures. If you think about it, every culture has their own kind of music, traditions, art, all of that. By speaking a second language, you can better understand what that culture is trying to portray. But imagine if you actually knew what those words meant, you would have a better understanding of the song and a more meaningful experience. Don't be like this guy.
Clients at your staff is speaking Spanish to customers when they should be speaking
being very violent. I mean, sometimes they do.
Every person I listen to, he's spoken, she's speaking it, is America.
Yeah. So, it is important to learn a language just so you can open up your mind and have a deeper understanding of the different cultures and the diversity that we have here in America. America is a country that has been built by immigrants and different countries, so we should be able to respect those cultures and understand all of our differences. Another reason as to why to learn a second language is increased confidence. When you learn a new language, you have to go out there and speak to people. This is the purpose of learning a new language, is to speak to people and have that form of communication. By constantly speaking to people more and more, your confidence increases at the same time because you are putting yourself out there and speaking to all these people. When I was in China, I used to go out and speak to as much people as I can on a daily basis just so I can practice my Chinese. The more I did this, I noticed that my confidence has increased as well. So this is a great benefit of learning a second language. And you will be able to take on new tasks that you never even thought of doing when you spoke just a single language. So this is definitely a great thing to achieve. The last reason I want to give you guys as to why it's important to learn a second language is a better you. Yes, you. When you learn a second language, you have just taken the first step into accepting cultural diversity. In America, many people are closed-minded to the idea of a life outside of this country. However, we are part of a global community of people that share different ideas, beliefs, and traditions that we can also take part in and get to know. By learning a new language, we are better adapted at accepting many different cultures that we all share this one earth with. So by that way, we are a better person and we are better at accepting other people as well. That is one reason that I want to share with you guys as to why it is good to learn a second language. Alright everyone, thank you for watching my video. Let me know in the comments, why do you want to learn a second language? Alright, and I hope to see you next time. Bye for now.